Welcome everyone. I'm going to show you on best website where you can edit your PDF. You can edit your PDF text or you can remove your PDF watermark. For that, we can use the website called Light PDF. So there are a lot of PDF tools like edit PDF, replace PDF text, remove PDF pages, watermark remover, PDF eraser, split PDF, merge, crop, cut, rotate. But we are going to use the first option, edit PDF. So you have to select that option. So after that, you just need to upload your PDF. You have to select your PDF file. So I'm going to select this PDF. So this is my PDF. I'm going to edit some of the text. So I'm going to remove this text and then I'm going to change the text. You can also change the font. There are a lot of options. If you want bold, you can use that, or italic, or you can change the text color. I'm going to change the text color to red. After that, you can see the background color also. You can also change the background color, or you can change the alignment. You can align left, right, or center. So it is your own choice. So if you want more editing options, you have to download the app for the website. So I'm going to show basic editing options only. So after you edit your PDF, we can download using the option. So you have to select the download option. So before that, you just need to sign in with your Google account. So our PDF is successfully downloaded. You can just open the PDF. So you can see the edited options. So this will be downloaded in your downloads folder. So this is how you can edit your PDF text using the website Light PDF. So in your free time, you just go through the website options. So there are a lot of options. Edit PDF, PDF text, replace, remove PDF pages, remove watermark from the PDF. So there are a lot of options. PDF scanner, PDF repair, resize PDF, OCR, compress PDF, PDF security if you want to protect your PDF. Or you can convert your PDF to any kind of format like Words, PPT, Excel, text. And then a lot of AI tools for the PDF. AI PDF generator. If you want to generate any PDF, you can generate presentation, image, PDF translations. So if you have any other language PDF, you can convert that PDF to your own language. And then chat PDF. You can summarize the PDF text. And then mind maps, AI summarizer, AI analysis. So there are a lot of options. You just need to go through in your free time. So this website will be very, very useful for you.